Hello friends, today we're going to talk about a very useful fertilizer that we can use in our garden so that you get lovely blooms like these. And the fertilizer is your banana peel fertilizer. I'll share the entire process of making two kinds of banana peel fertilizer and for which plants you can use it. So here we start. Bananas are rich in minerals including potassium, your phosphorus and calcium, which plays an important role in the growth of plants, be it vegetable or fruit bearing or your flowering plants. Potassium helps in promoting your plant trigger, build up resistance to pest and disease. It helps in fruit development. It also helps in a general plant strength, to give out more fruits, or you can say more vegetables. The phosphorus content of the mineral in the banana peels helps or strongly influences the flowering of your plants. It is essential for the root or the shoot growth, and it also assists in pollination. So it's very important in seed germination as well as its viability to make it into a successful plant. So potassium is important, so is phosphorus, and calcium is required so that it helps in making the soil absorb more oxygen. So taking into consideration that these three important minerals are present in the banana peels, it makes it a very viable fertilizer that can be used in our gardens. After adding the chopped banana peels to a liter of water and the cap loosely placed, keep it in shaded area for at least 3 days before use. The second way how you can use your banana peels is to dry the banana peels at least in 3 days sunlight, and then chop it into fine pieces. Use the mixer grinder for making a powder of the same, and you can use this for your plants. So how to apply your banana peel powdered fertilizer? Just dig around the pot that you want to apply it like this, so that the powdered fertilizer gets mixed with the soil, and then just apply it around the plant. This is the second time I'm applying or utilizing this powdered fertilizer for this particular plant, and it has given me good results. So every 15 days I have applied it, and this plant has been flowering so beautifully. This is how the banana tea or the liquid fertilizer looks like after 4 days. It is kind of become very cloudy. This is when you know that it is ready to be used. Now the more you keep it, the more concentrated it becomes. So if it is concentrated or kept aside for a week or so, you would want to dilute it with water before applying it in the soil. To make the fertilizer, what I have done is to a mug I've taken half mug of water, and the other half I've filled with the banana peel tea, and then I have used it for the plants. Now what I have done is I have not strained it. You can go ahead and strain it before applying it to the plants. Banana peel fertilizer works excellent for your rose plants. It works so very fine for your adeniums. You can use it for your hydrangeas. You can use it for your ixora plants. They also work fine for your euphorbia plants as well. It really works well for these flowering plants which I have tried on. That is all, friends. Hope you found this video useful, and you can always try it in your garden. Thank you so much.